Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'm going to show you how to make my 10 bean soup with ham hocks. A few weeks ago, the Simfonio company contacted me and asked if I wanted to try out their electric pressure cooker. At first, I was a little bit hesitant, I have to be honest, just because of all the stories you hear about pressure cookers being scary to use. But after I got it and tried it, oh my gosh, you guys, I love this thing. I have to say, this might be my new favorite appliance in the kitchen. I just want to show you what comes with the pot, just in case you're interested in purchasing one. The first thing you get is an extra gasket, a measuring cup, you get a rice paddle and a soup ladle, silicone gloves, a steamer basket, and the last thing is the inner pot to cook in. I have the 8-quart pot here, but they also have a 6-quart. Oh, and one last thing, I almost forgot, it comes with a recipe booklet. Okay, so let's get started with the recipe. Here I have 1 pound of my 10 bean soup mix. And not only do I love these beans, but I love the way they look. They just look so pretty. Like, I could look at this all day long. Not really, but you know what I mean. And then I'm putting in 1 package of ham hocks in the beans. To start, I'm going to put the sim pot on the saute setting, and then I'm going to push the dial 2 times and that will start preheating. I love that this pot is digital because I can see what it's doing. This heats up pretty fast, so as soon as I turn it on, I go right ahead and put my ingredients in. To my pot, I'm adding some olive oil and some chopped onion. By the way, when you're using your pot, make sure you have everything cut up and ready, just because it goes by so fast. To that, I'm adding some chopped bell peppers. I love using the colorful ones in this, just because the beans are so colorful and then the peppers are colorful. It just looks so pretty and it tastes so good. Let that cook several minutes or until the onions are translucent. I noticed that it needed a little bit more oil in the pot, so I added some. Now I'm going to add the beans to the pot and some water. By the way, I'll have the exact measurements listed in the description box below. And last but not least, I'm adding the ham hocks. I like to serve this with cornbread, so if you're interested, I'm gonna leave a link of my recipe below for you. Now I'm going to cover the pot and turn the steam hole handle to sealing. Then I'm going to press cancel, and what that does is it cancels out the saute setting, and then I'm going to turn it to the pressure setting because I want this to pressure. You can use the bean and chili setting or the pressure setting depending on how you like your beans, so you might want to try them out to see the difference. But for this, I'm using the pressure setting and I'm pressuring it on high, and the preset setting is 45 minutes, so that's what I'm doing it for. It takes a little while to preheat, so this took like 14 minutes, but after that, then the timer will start counting down and it will be pressuring. After the 45 minutes was up, I like to let it sit at least 10 minutes and do a natural release. And then after that, I do a quick release. This is where you have to be really careful. You don't want to burn yourself. So what I do is I'll just turn the handle halfway. I won't turn it all the way to venting. Just a little bit so some of the steam could come out, and then afterwards I turn it all the way. You'll know when it's ready to be opened because the red float valve will be down. So here you go, in about an hour and a half from start to finish, you'll have nice ham hocks and beans. Like I said before, you can use the bean and chili setting or the pressure setting, but I prefer the pressure setting just because with the other one, the beans all melt together, so you can't really tell which beans is which, but with this one you can. So it all depends on what you're cooking and how you like it. So you can try out different settings and see what you like best. By the way, I always like to wait at the end to taste it and see if it has enough salt. I didn't put any in the pot, but sometimes the ham hocks are really salty and sometimes they're not. So you just want to taste it and then add salt accordingly. So if you're interested in this Simfonio electric pressure cooker, I'm gonna leave a link below so you can check that out. I'm just giving you my honest opinion. This is my first time using one, but I really love it, and I made a lot of recipes in this pot since I made that ham hock video, but I would definitely recommend it. They're not paying me to say anything. They're not telling me what to say. I'm just giving you my honest opinion, and I really love it. As always, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you have not yet subscribed, please don't forget to do that, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.